that when you use Google Forms for actually getting applicants to apply to your job listing, is actually managing and communicating with them from an Excel sheet and work to your emails, right? You can use a mail merge, but that's going to take a lot of time. Now, in 2 minutes, how do you actually set up emails, automate the whole activity out? So when you actually create an account and create a job post in joinus.team, the AI system actually creates certain templates actually for you. So now here are some stages that I've customly created. So you can add and remove some of few of the stages so which works for your organization. But now certain template tools that you can put in is actually, for example, whenever a candidate applies to your job listing, you can actually send them a custom email saying that, hey, thank you for applying for this role. We are currently reviewing it. And secondly, whenever you reject those candidates or you see that it's not a proper fit, you can actually send a cute, good, decent message to them so that no one is actually in the limbo, right? Everyone is actually aware of this state. So you can actually send a rejection email. Again, you can create a template here and actually add to the stage. Workflow magic is actually when you actually create the rules. Actually, for example, it could be a state change. State change. When I say state change, any candidate that you receive in your inbox from LinkedIn, Naukri, or even import it actually toward the system. You can actually, when you're putting them onto screen stage or any other stages that are there, the system will detect that change and you can actually trigger certain actions. For example, if it is a state change, you can say that, hey, from interview stage to decision, send them a message for particular, hey, thank you for attending the interview. We'd love to, you can create a template for that. Or if you are actually screening the candidates for interview, you can actually send them a link, Calendly link or Cal link, right? Saying that, hey, schedule this interview link, right? You can create custom messages for it. And this is not just for stage changes. This could be when the candidate applies, when you're inviting them for an interview, or you actually getting them from a talent pool. You can have an open talent pool kind of a system where people who are not aware of, for example, you are hiring for UI UX now, right? But later on, you would need a SEO guy, right? As people share and understand about your organization, they are like thrilled to apply for your organization. You can actually have an open job, right? Open job is where people apply to your organization for maybe for future roles or future consideration. You can actually take those candidates from the talent pool. So you can go here. There is a talent community that is there. This is basically candidates who are interested, who are fascinated by, impressed by your company, and they want to be part of it. And they don't know how they can be. So you can use these candidates for future roles, right? So you can create workflow for all actually. So this is an investing system that is there. Love to understand your feedback on how if this is something that you're looking out for, or we can actually make some tweaks onto it. Feedbacks is something that we are looking out here.